love and kisses from... Oh, hi there, guys. I'm sorry. I know I've told you I'd share everything with you, but this letter is really, really private. Okay, locked. Now it's safe in my top secret box.
The internet is a great place to do research for school, share pictures with friends, play video games, or check out the latest trending videos. But it's important to remember there are billions of people who use the internet, and not everyone does it with good intentions. You should think carefully before you share personal information, pictures or videos on the internet. Even if you think it's private, nothing on the internet is completely private. The best rule is to not put up anything that could embarrass you later. My top tip: if you wouldn't want Gogo to see it, then don't post it. And do not share private information with people you don't know. Trust your instincts. If someone approaches you online and makes you feel uncomfortable or in danger, stop talking or texting immediately. And tell a parent or adult you trust. It's best not to meet in person someone you've only met online, even if you've been talking with them for a long time. They may not be who they say they are, and it could be dangerous. If you do decide to meet someone from online, meet them in a public place and don't go alone. Always take a friend along just to be safe, and let someone else know exactly where you're going and who you're going to meet. Bullying someone online through email, social media, or any website or app is called cyberbullying and is still a form of bullying. It's better to block, delete, or ignore bullying messages than to respond to them. If that doesn't work, get help from a parent or guardian, a school teacher, or any other adult you trust. That's especially true if the cyberbullying is threatening you. Remember to always keep your personal information private. Check your privacy settings to make sure that only your friends can see what you post, and never ever share your password with anyone else. The internet can be a wonderful place to explore, but just remember to stay safe while doing it.
Oh, what was it? My Goko's birthday? Okay. It's just not working. Oh, I know. Last 4 digits of my cell. Okay, also not it. That might take a while. Till next time. And don't forget to come and visit me at Amaze.Org.za or tweet about me with hashtag #MoreInfo, less weird. Bye-bye.